Hi there. In this short video, we are going to take a very quick look at how Desmos can help us with different function operations, both graphing them and evaluating them. So I've got over there two functions, f and g, and you'll notice that I have them hidden, so we're not seeing the graphs, but I can make those visible. So we have a line and we have a parabola. Now, if I want to graph, say, the composition of these two functions, say f of g of x, I can simply do this, and Desmos will generate the composed function for me. Now, you can evaluate that function as well by simply inputting a value for x. So instead of f of g of x, I could say f of g of 3, and it will evaluate the composed function at 3. Now, if you wanted to say have both the graph and the evaluation, this seems like it would be a good idea. And yet, for whatever reason, Desmos yells at us and says, hey, you can't define that as h of x. But if we do this and say, hey, we're going to make a new function h, and let's do it the other way around. Let's do g of f of x on this one. Okay, so we've composed them the other way around. Now it's okay with it. It shows me the function h. And now I can say, well, what is h of 3? And it tells me that h of 3 is equal to 20. And so you've got a couple different options there. If you'd like to see both the graph and be able to evaluate the composition of the functions there, you would need to be able to do it this way. And you just have to type in that h of x first. This will work for adding functions. It'll work for subtracting and all of that. Just note this, that when you are adding functions, let's say f plus g, Desmos does not recognize that notation, okay? And so if you want to be able to do that, you need to employ that notation there, not the f plus g of x. Just an important thing to know. So I hope this information comes in helpful for checking answers, exploring graphs, looking at asymptotes, determining domain, and all the things that you might need to do when operating with functions.